So I built like a bot for Telegram, which I use to communicate with my team. I built a Reels analyzer, follow some certain people, give their Instagram handle to the Reels analyzer, sends me a brief on my Telegram bot, launch a second brain as a service for companies. Okay guys, welcome back. We built some major updates in the last couple of days. So now you can see in the members area, if you are basically part of the community buildwithsumit.com, when you log in, if you go to the members area, you can see Globus. So all the members have their own private Globus where you can basically build your own agentic environment. Basically build your second brain and then build agents on top of your second brain. You can connect, you can go to Vault, which basically shows what all channels you have connected. Like I have connected Telegram, Gmail, Freshsales, Google Drive, my WhatsApp, created a Telegram bot for communicating to me and with my team. I've also created an Obsidian folder for mapping all my data. So you can do the same. So all members, you can connect like up to 10 Google accounts. With each Google account, you can connect your Drive, Gmail and Analytics. You can connect your WhatsApp. So for WhatsApp, I have built this bridge. So basically it reads all your chats that basically are loaded in WhatsApp web. So the reason I built this bridge was that I didn't build a bot on top of WhatsApp protocol, and I'm very particular because this is my real personal WhatsApp account. So I'm very careful about reading data from it and not writing anything back to it. For communications, like I have email and Telegram that are less restrictive or less susceptible to getting banned. So I built like a bot for Telegram, which I use to communicate with my team. But I mean, you can use a WhatsApp business account and then hook it up with APIs. So if you really want to go deep on WhatsApp and you use WhatsApp as your real channel of communication in your team, you can do that with WhatsApp business account. That's with a proper API. That's much more robust. We use Telegram and Slack in our company. So I basically connected my Telegram account. I built a Reels analyzer. Is basically nothing but, since I'm doing content on my own, I follow some certain people whose content I like. So I basically give their Instagram handle to the Reels analyzer. It checks their work weekly and sends me a brief on my Telegram bot. This is the new content that they have made. This is the hook. This is something that that matches your line of work and you can build it too. So it basically is like a competition analyzer for me to do a competition analysis on the similar content that's getting made by other people on Instagram, and gives me ideas on what type of content I get. So basically, one of the services that I'm thinking is to build and launch a second brain as a service for companies. So I found one guy doing that. So I basically gave its Instagram to the Reels analyzer, and now whenever he posts a new content, I complete breakdown of the of the reel. So that helps me to think like, okay, this is something that I can also do, or I can also create. So then we have the Globus agents we have discussed already. So basically all these agents I named after key people in Mahabharata, which is like an Indian mythology, Indian epic. I kind of like it. So all the agents are named on top of it. And then these are a list of Claude skills that I personally use. So I've just put them in the Build with Sumit's repo. So here you can also find the other open source projects. Here you can find Globus, which is also open source. I commit code to it every day, so you can download and use it. Like if you are a techie, you can download and you use Globus for your own organization. It's basically you will get the same application that we have here, which basically is like a second brain to me, helps me manage my company. So the key important thing about using Globus or a second brain for your organization is, if you're running a mid-scale company, 300 to 500 employees, it's very important that like all the key workflows of your organization should be automated by now. If you're a technical founder, you have started building your own automations and have started automating your key workflows. But if you're a non-technical founder, I think it's very important that you start learning or start implementing. So for non-technical founders like you, I have started this community and the automation founders. So you can join my community on buildwithsumit.com, and I can help you out building these automations and rolling them out for your organization.